Leaves tumble down, they whisper why. Branches stretch out to the painted sky. A hush in the air, a story untold, the kind that lingers when the nights turn cold. November's gentle sky, so high, so wide, carries the secrets the wind can't hide. Every cloud a dream, every breeze a sigh, under November's gentle sky. Footsteps crunch on a golden path, echoes of moments that never last. The sun dips low, a fire on the hill. Time slows down, but it never stands still. Do you feel it there, the quiet hum? A melody soft where the shadows come. November's gentle sky, so high, so wide, carries the secrets the wind can't hide. Every cloud a dream, every breeze a sigh, under November's gentle sky. We chase the dust with hearts so bold, but the sky it changes like stories told. Colors fade and the stars arrive, yet still I'm lost in that gentle sky. November's gentle sky, so high, so wide, carries the secrets the wind can't hide. Every cloud a dream, every breeze a sigh, under November's gentle sky. Under November's gentle sky. Hear the whispers through the trees, soft like shadows, they bend and tease. A melody lost in the amber haze, it's the breeze of forgotten days. Oh, it carries me far past the moonlight, past the last faint star. A story untold in its ghostly sway, the breeze of forgotten days. Leaves are dancing on the ground, every step makes a hollow sound. They hum a tune that fades away, like the breeze of forgotten fields whisper low in the still of night. Lanterns flicker, casting golden light. The earth hums soft, a secret tune beneath the quiet harvest moon. Quiet harvest moon, you glow so high, painting dreams across the sky. Silent witness to the seeds we've sown. Under your watch, we're never alone. Crickets sing in time with the breeze, rustling leaves in the tired trees.